Morning. Okay, so I worked 4 to midnight last night, and I didn't go to bed till like 1, a little after. And I was up bright and early, 6 a.m. My body was like, you're awake. I think though, as I sit, I kind of ponder the whole thing because I'm like, why? Like, why am I awake? Like, I think I should sleep till like 7, 8, 9 o'clock, right? But here's the thing. When he was here and he was sick, it was for like the last 3 months, and I didn't get to sleep straight through a night. Like, I was up every hour or every half an hour with him because of him being so sick. So I think because even though I went to bed at 1 a.m., from 1 to 6, I slept straight through. I don't remember waking up. You know what I mean? Like, I got a solid 5 hours of sleep. And for me, like, even before, like, he got sick and everything, I used to be able to only get 5 or 6 hours of sleep and be fine. Plus, I drink the coffee and stuff in the morning, which gives me the energy and wakes me up and does all that. So I think that I've pretty much gotten my body trained to be up at 6 a.m., which I'm actually kind of grateful for because I feel like I can be just a little bit more productive in a day. Like, if I didn't get up till 9, I mean, that's 3 hours of my day I lose it because I'm sleeping. So I'm off today. I do have a few things I need to take care of. I need to go to the newspaper and pick up copies of the newspaper that had his obituary in it. I need to go to the bank because I can't figure out how to get onto my online banking because I don't know the passwords and stuff. So, and I have to like transfer money accounts and pay some bills that I can't do because I don't have access to the online banking. I mean, my names are on the accounts and stuff, but like I said, he did all that. So, and I can't figure out his login and password for it. So I have to go see if I can figure that out. And he set it up on my phone too, but he never gave me the passwords or whatever to it on my phone. So I don't know. Anyway, so I gotta go to the bank and figure that out. And then what? I had thought about going crabbing today, but I don't know. I want to check first and see if there's a Zumba class this morning, because if there's a Zumba class this morning, I'm probably going to go to that. But if it stays like this weather-wise, there's a Zumba class on the canal in Lewis tonight at 6. And then there's a bonfire on the beach in Dewey tonight, which usually is like 7, 8 o'clock at night. So, like, you could get there about like 7-ish, and then, so I might do the Zumba class on the canal, because doesn't really matter. I have a gym membership, so whether I go to the gym or I go to the canal, I'd really like to go to the canal because it would be kind of nice to do Zumba outside. But if it's hot and humid, I don't want to do Zumba outside. I'd rather be in the air conditioning. So we'll see about that. I have to verify she's also having class tonight. I have some chores to do, obviously. I always have chores to do. The sunflowers from the funeral aren't holding up as nice as I'd like, and I want to take one that's good right now, and I want to press it in a book. So I want to do that. The herbs, I'm killing the herbs, guys, but I think one of them's okay. But I need to transplant that. Okay, well, it is saying of the day. I guess we'll call it that. So I have to pick a new one to put on my board. Let's see what we can pull out of the bucket today. And again, if you left this quote in the bucket, let me know down below. Let's go with a blue one. Another long one. No, it's okay, really. When you face difficult times, know that challenges are not sent to destroy you. They're sent to promote, increase, and strengthen you. Love it. So this will go on my dry erase quote of the day board. And if you're the one that added it to my soldier's jar, I guess we'll call it the soldier's jar. Okay, so I don't know. Sorry, my brain randomly thinks of things. So you know how like a lot of YouTubers have their fan base and their fans are called something specific. Like I think Fritzy calls hers Diamond Babes. Well, it says Soldier Strong. So I guess you guys were the What If Soldiers? It's got a nice ring to it. So I guess I'll call you guys the What If Soldiers. Out there fighting for kindness and positivity and smiles and love. I like it. I'm gonna go with that. Yeah. I really need to get a new cell phone holder for the car. It's like dilapidated, keeps falling. All right, I am, holy cow. Did you guys see that? Like, I wonder if it showed up in the back window. That dude on the skateboard had his dog pulling him. He was flying. That lad was like, I am out. Oof. That was crazy. Anyway. Looked like fun though. Okay, so went to the bank. Got that taken care of. Stopped and got the papers I needed. And now I don't know. I might stop at and that. I need to find a couple beach chairs, but I don't want to spend an arm and a leg. Beach chairs are expensive. I usually get them at the end of the season when they're like half price, but I don't have any now because we had to throw the other ones out. So I'm thinking and that will probably have them the cheapest. I'm gonna go check and see. I really don't want to spend a lot of money. Maybe I'll just get a beach blanket. But y'all, I don't want to sit on a blanket on the beach. I want something that has a back, like a chair. So that's where I think I'm gonna go. So, and plus, I'll be honest, like I like going to that like every other day just to look. Like I don't even have to buy anything. Like I just love that store. They have so many cool things in there. Like, and they change it like every other day. It's changed. It's kind of like the, well, not even kind of like, it's even more so than the Dollar Tree. I do need to go to the Dollar Tree, but I decided I'm going to take the girls with me because it's inevitable that they will want something, and it's the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go. I gotta figure out how to get out of here and get back on one. I don't know if I go that way or that way. I came in that way, but I think that way's easier. Maybe. Maybe not. See you guys in a few. So I'm in and that. Does anybody else have an obsession with stationery and notebooks? Because I love the stuff. I don't need it, but I just like looking at it. Like this. How cool is that? And it's leather. It's only $3.99. Or you know, these note cards, which actually I do need to get because I ran out of thank you cards. But I just, oh look, there's actual thank you cards. I love this stuff. Like little organizers, and I don't need any of it, obviously, but I just like it. I like it a lot. I have issues. It's okay. Alright, what? Where's at the beach?
Oh, wait, it's burning my
What did you do? I think she just wiped the chapstick off on her dress.
Yeah.
Now we're going to Grotto's for pizza because it's free. You got money?
They're so good.
Man, my shins hurt. I guess it's from walking around the store. I don't know. I still haven't checked to see how many steps I had in the last 2 days. But yeah, so we park one street behind us, and Grotto's is 2 blocks up, and then we'll walk back and get our beach stuff, and then we'll go to the beach. Because life's a beach. Those
The water's gonna be like freezing. I'm gonna be so happy. I've already been in twice this year.
What, the ocean?
Yeah. It's not bad, but you have to stay in there for at least 10 minutes.
I can't get in the ocean because of my tattoo yet. It's still healing, and I don't want to risk any infections.
You only have like a week left, right?
Well, it's been a little over a week, so Monday will be 2 weeks, and then I can go swimming again. But here's the thing, like, I like swimming in the ocean, but I also get seasick. So I tend to get a little dizzy and stuff if I'm out there for long periods of time. I like it, but I have issues.
Back Sunday.
Who comes back Sunday?
Havana.
Oh.
Then
This coming Sunday?
they take me home with them for a week.
Are they bringing you back? Well,
yeah,
Laura's
probably
but Laura's coming down. So
No,
you
But I
No,
can't.
what I'm saying is you could go for a week if they let you, because then you could just come back down with Laura.
Oh, you're right.
Borderline genius.
Oh my gosh, wait. That's so smart.
I know. Wait,
No, that's just the slice.
oh. Let's go get some pizza.
What?
She made me do it. It's all her fault. We're sharing
Why?
them.
But they're
They
good.
got ranch, guys. You guys put ranch on it? No.
Yes.
I always put in hot peppers.
I put Parmesan. I put like Parmesan cheese on mine. Oh, it's so good.
Well, is that good? Let's try it.
If you like it, put it on all of it. It's all pretty much like it.
All right.
I think it's really good.
Let's try it. Parmesan cheese on top of cheese.
It's so good. You like it?
Should we put it on? I don't care. Don't put like a ton of it on, but why not? Cheese on cheese.
It's good.
Lacey. All right.
Just kidding.